Hi, my name is Aldrin Carrillo. Today we are out in the kitchen, and today gonna be show you how can we cook one dish is very special. We call it Tacos Dorados. This is fried tacos. But this tacos is vegetarian basically. This time you're gonna be making something for the vegetarian people. If you like the vegetarian, this is the dish you can be making. It's very easy, very tasty, and you're gonna be enjoyed to eat that one. Is And as well is very cheaper as well. It's very easy. Is And now I'm gonna be show you how can we cook. It's this very good one, and I'm gonna be enjoy this dish when you make it for yourself. It's very good one. Okay, the for making the taco dorados from potatoes, the first we require to be cook boil five pieces the small potatoes, or is this three big potatoes, you wish is but now it's gonna be I have to only I put six because two pieces is very small. For that reason I put six pieces. But after this, it's gonna be additional salt. Gonna be start to prepare with the rest for the taco dorados. Now is for the taco dorados we require to be put when it had to be the first boil is gonna be additional salt. One spoon. It had to be additional, and is it's gonna be cooked for 15 minutes. After that, we're gonna be continue with taco dorados. When it's ready, the potato is already cold. We have to be smash the potato for start to be make the proper cook the potato plus with the onion and the chile jalapeno and the tomatoes. So it has to be start to put together is with the tomatoes and the potatoes. But this we have to be put a pan, of course. Is and then we have to be the pan and want to be put on fire, or the pan, yes, fire. So it's for making the proper. In the meantime, you see that this is already cooked. You see, already smashed all the potatoes. It's gonna be additional little bit. First you're gonna be tasting. In this case, you need a little more salt, so it's just gonna be put little more salt because the mashed potato you need to more salty. Well, this is a match. Have to be ready. Okay, and then you see all the potatoes match, and then is when it is ready. Okay, you're gonna be start to cook with the pan with additional olive oil, enough for cooking, and we start to with the onion, and then you're gonna be making and after that the chili, and after that the tomatoes. Okay, when it's ready, the onion already cooked, so it's already start to change the color. You see that this is gonna be additional the pepper, jalapenos. It's very important to do. See, okay. And then you're gonna be start to cook the jalapenos. Remember this, you have to be chiles, the jalapenos. It's more very important. chiles, because otherwise in England the people don't eating. You need to be eating proper for making for them. No, start to scream for because the food is very spicy. Okay, it's very important to do that. See, when you have to be already, gonna be additional the tomato, and then it is continue with and after that with the potatoes. Now, after the chili, I additional garlic, 1.5 spoon or 2 cloves, the garlic, and after that we additional the tomatoes. We're gonna be cooking the tomatoes. When it has to be ready, we additional the potatoes. It's very easy, that one. You can see right now it changed the color of the tomato. The tomato is already changed, start to be changed the color, it start to be changed the, how they look like. So when it's ready, you're gonna be additional this potato inside to these tomatoes. And when it had to be done, you start to be prepared the Tacos Dorados. Now you can see the tomatoes is already cooked. It's already done. So it had to be additional the potatoes. Potatoes with this, sorry, that because I had to use a one hand, unfortunately. It's a one hand. Okay, this is one hand. Be careful because it's if you intend to be put all the potatoes, it can be jumping, it can be burned. For that reason, I use a little bit step by step to put the potatoes. After we additional the potatoes with the rest of the vegetables, we had to be this presentation. We additional, because it was too dry, we additional little water. See, for make it, try to be making more soft. Not too much, little bit water, not too much, because remember it's gonna be fried, it's gonna be jumping the water with the oil. For that reason, it's very careful with that. Okay, it had to be look like something like this. After it's finished to cook the potatoes, what is the next? Well, the next is gonna have to be make the taco dorado. This is a fried taco. You're gonna be put olive oil, very low. This is for start to be warm slowly, because the olive oil is very easy to be burned. And you're gonna be start to put with a spoon. Remember, this is the last thing we additional. It was the cheese. We additional cheese but dry cheese. This is is very dry cheese. Is for try to be keep it. If you see this is spread too easy, maybe it can be used a little corn flour, but in this case I don't think so. You're gonna be using this one is enough with the tomato with the 1 spoon. You additional to the tortilla. Sometimes it requires a little bit, not too much, little bit. And this is the fried taco. And then you're gonna be put like this. And then you're gonna be try to, well, actually, always I recommend it to be heat the tortilla. If you not heat, this is very hard to be split. You see that? For that, if you will do it like cold, it can be broken. For that reason, it's very important to be heat the tortilla. Now I have the 2 tacos. It's try to be fried with olive oil. Remember, it's olive oil. It's more healthy about than regular oil. So this one, I'm fried for between 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes each side. So be careful. We have to be carefully with two tools, you have to be changed with carefully, because it's otherwise it can be spread the potato. Okay, now it's gonna be changed for another side, because remember it's for the two sides. So you're gonna be try to be pull out a little bit, or try to be turn around, and just that's it. Carefully, don't burn it, because you're gonna be remind all your life. Is and after that you're gonna be see is gonna be fry the Tacos Dorados with the olive oil. It's very very important. After finish all the Tacos Dorados is done, it's finished. Try to be use a napkin or something is absorb all the grease excess of the olive oil. For that reason, I put in here to be dry. And when it's done, I put additional radish. No, not radish. Radish. Radishes. We put radish, tomato, the letter is and cheese is a little dry cheese. This is put on top, and of course, it's going right now. You make the sauce for put it inside to the blender, and then when you're gonna be put. This is only tomato, onion, garlic, salt, oregano. Is no pepper. This one is only for make the flavor. Required. The tomato right now is already done. This is the skin is already burned. So this is this is an indication this one is already done. Because the skin is already open. This is the time to be take out and put in the blender, and then you put on top to the Tacos Dorados. Okay, the fried tacos is with the olive oil. This is very very healthy. This one is no meat, no any kind of meat, only vegetables, and this is used for this one. So right now it's gonna be additional in the tomatoes in the blender for put on top to the Tacos Dorados. Okay, when it's done, it's the sauce. The sauce is gonna be put on top. This is only tomato. This is not spicy. So you're gonna be put. You're gonna be look like this. Is only gonna have to be the last thing. Has to be additional sour cream. Is done. So after put the cream, put the sauce, is and we're gonna be served like this, with the sour cream, with the tomato sauce on top, and of course you're gonna be put well, we're gonna be put the cheese, and that's it. This is the service how can be served this one. If this is the presentation, it had to be look like. If you like it, make it, please. You're gonna be enjoyed to that one. This is very healthy. This is only vegetarian food. So this is for the vegetarian people. It's perfect. If you like it, this kind of videos, is let me know. Is we can be making more videos for you. This one is one vegetarian food. It can be served. In Mexico as well, we eat vegetarian, but is we like it more tasty. So if you like this video, please give me a like. I really appreciate that, because it's really helpful in the channel. You want to see more videos the next week, you can be subscription and put the bell, push the bell, and you're going to be notified when it says load out the videos. So thank you very much, Eldrin Carrillo. You're going to be safe for service and for you. I'm really glad to be seeing you all this time. Thank you very much, and see you the next week. Hasta la vista.